Riviera Sky Blue. This little plant sounds like it belongs on the night walk, but let's read about it from the tag. Riviera Sky Blue, striking color contrast with other flowers. Uses: wonderful for borders, beds, window boxes, and containers. Care: best in fertile, well-drained soil, kept evenly moist. Well, there you have it. If you need a bed edger, this is your guy. Or gal. I don't really know with flowers. It's kind of hard to tell. I will say this, I do love the deep purple blue on these flowers and just how it looks like a forest plant. It looks like something that you'd find when you were walking through the woods, and I really like that. And I think if I were to use them, I would put them in a garden box or in a large patch of other wildflower looking plants. So let me know in the comment section if you've ever used these before, or what plants you like to use or intend to use this year in your garden. Be sure to pick up the free guide that will walk you through how to do your landscape start to finish while saving yourself time, stress, and money, because who doesn't want more time and money and less stress? And I will see you in the next video.